Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. It's the best way to stay updated on all the latest gossip and fun content. Ever wondered how a fried chicken recipe could spill the beans on one of Hollywood's biggest mysteries? Well, buckle up because Tom Holland just served us a side of intrigue with his crispy revelations. In a recent YouTube video, Tom Holland and Gordon Ramsay teamed up to cook fried chicken. Sounds ordinary, right? Wrong. Amidst the sizzle and spice, Bond rumors bubbled to the surface, leaving fans hungry for more. When Ramsay casually dropped the Bond question, Holland didn't exactly dodge it. Instead, he hinted at the role being the pinnacle for any British actor. Talk about a golden nugget of info. And let's not forget the humor in all this 1910. If Holland becomes Bond, will his next cooking collab be shaken, not stirred? Only time will tell. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see you next time.